Hello and good day once again, my dear grade 5 pupils, and welcome to the newest edition of Sir Dex at your service, English edition. But before I continue, let me greet first each and every one of you, and I hope that you're all doing fine and in good condition. And also, let's not forget to thank God because we have a very beautiful day today, and the storm has already left our country. And we're all safe and spared from the expected effect of Typhoon Rolly. But we should continually pray also for our brothers and sisters who were heavily affected by the typhoon. Okay? Huwag natin silang kakalimutang ipagdasal palagi. And just like before, I'd like to invite you first to watch this short video because it has to do with our new lesson in English for weeks 5 and 6, which is about cause-effect and problem-solution relationship. And so, through this simple discussion, I'm hoping that it can help you understand and answer the learning task. And I'd like to also to say sorry if I cannot open my webcam for this episode because I encountered some technical problems earlier. So I opted to just keep my camera closed and have a voiceover instead. Okay? So thank you. Let's begin. Let's start with discussing a compound sentence. I'm showing you now my PowerPoint presentation. A compound sentence is a sentence that has at least two independent clauses joined by a comma, semicolon, or coordinating conjunction. An independent clause is a clause that has a subject and verb and forms a complete thought. Or in other words, an independent clause is a complete sentence. Going back to the definition for you to easily understand it, when you say compound sentence, it contains two complete sentences and being connected by a coordinating conjunction. And as we progress along with this video lesson, we're going to talk about those coordinating conjunctions. Okay? Here now are the 7 coordinating conjunctions. We have for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And for you to easily memorize it or remember it, it has the acronym FAN boys. Okay? So, again, we have for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And each of this conjunction has a specific function. Let us now discuss coordinating conjunctions and their functions. What I'm showing you now are the 7 coordinating conjunctions plus their function and an example sentence. Okay? 4 explains reason or purpose, just like because. Example, I go to the park every Sunday for I long to see his face. Next, and adds one thing to another. Example, I like to read and I write faithfully in my journal every night. Next, nor, used to present an alternative negative idea to an already stated negative idea. Example, I neither love nor hate to watch TV. But shows contrast. Example, television is a wonderful escape, but it interferes with my writing. Next, or, presents an alternative or a choice. Example, would you rather read a book or watch a good TV show? Next is yet. introduces a contrasting idea that follows the preceding idea logically, similar to but. I always take a book to the beach, yet I never seem to turn a single page. And finally, so indicates effect, result, or consequence. Example, I like to read, so my grammar is always on point. Let us take a look at this example. Example number 1. Jason played ML all night long, so he fell asleep during his online class. Again, Jason played ML all night long, so he fell asleep during his online class. What is our first independent clause or the first complete sentence? Can you guess? Alright, let's see. Our first independent clause is Jason played ML all night long. Why? Because that part expresses a complete thought or a complete sentence. It has a subject and a predicate. Understood? Okay. Ayan. So our first independent clause is the one inside the red box. Jason played ML all night long. Independent clause. After we found the first independent clause, what is our second independent clause or the second complete sentence? Let's see again. Correct. He fell asleep during his online class. Again, it has a subject and a predicate. That's why it is a complete sentence also. Independent clause. So let's see this one. Jason played ML all night long is the cause or the reason. And what is the effect? He fell asleep during his online class. And we have the coordinating conjunction so, which connects the first independent clause to the second independent clause that shows a cause-effect relationship. Okay? So what we have here is the cause-effect relationship. Next. Example number 2. Frisel's car is broken, so she walked going to work. Again, Frisel's car is broken, so she walked going to work. What is our first independent clause or the first complete sentence? Can you guess? Very good. Frisel's car is broken. What is our second independent clause or the second complete sentence? We have she walked going to work. What is the conjunction used to connect the two sentences? Let's see. Chriselle's car is broken. That is the problem. So is our coordinating conjunction. She walked going to work is our solution. So this part or this one shows problem-solution relationship. Again, we have two independent clauses and connected by the coordinating conjunction so. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. So let's try this. Write the correct conjunction to complete each sentence. Okay, for number 1, I bake a cake blank. It's mother's birthday tomorrow. Number 2, Julie memorized the poem well. Blank, she recited it in front of the mirror. Number 3. Norman tried to go to school early. Blank, he is late again. 4. They want to win the contest. Blank, they all practiced well. 5. We have never been to Asia. Blank, have we visited Africa. And number 6, Anna will be going with mom. Blank, she will stay with her kuya at home. But guys, let me remind you, this is not included in your worksheet, or this is not as a worksheet, but as an exercise for this short video. Okay? Let's now check the answers. Okay, I bake a cake for its mother's birthday tomorrow. Number 2, the answer is N. Julie memorized the poem well and she recited it in front of the mirror. Number 3, but Norman tried to go to school early, but he is late again. 4. They want to win the contest, so they all practice well. 5. We have never been to Asia, nor have we visited Africa. 6. Anna will be going with mom, or she will stay with her kuya at home. So the answers are number 1, 4, number 2, and number 3, but, number 4, so, number 5, nor, and number 6, or. Did you get the same correct answers? Very good. Okay, if you are still confused as to how we got the correct answer, you can go back to the slides where I explained, or I shown you the different coordinating conjunctions with its functions and example sentences. Okay? So, I hope you learned something today from this video lesson for our latest episode of Sir Dex at your service. And if you have questions, again, don't hesitate to text me or call me or message me on Facebook so that I can explain to you clearly, or give you additional explanations about this lesson. Alright, thank you and God bless, and I'm inviting you again to like my channel, ang Classroom ni Mad Scientist. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye-bye!